Which color is this?
Green.
Umar, can you count how many pencils color are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So today we are going to learn counting with pencil colors. Okay. So can you tell me which color is this?
Pink.
Which color is this?
Green.
Which color is this?
Brown.
And which color is this?
Black.
Black. And which color is this?
Purple.
Purple. Umar, can you count how many pencils color are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Now Shiza, can you count how many colors are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good. Now can you count how many colors are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. Now can you count how many colors are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. And can you count how many colors are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Very good. Now I will mix all the colors. Okay. I will mix all the colors. Give back the colors. Give the colors. Umar, give the colors. Yes. Now I will mix all the colors. Okay. I will mix all the colors. Okay. So we'll start with Shiza. Shiza, can you take out 10 green color pencils? Take out 10 green color pencils. Count and take out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Now, can you take out four black color? 4 black color. Black.
1,
Yes. Okay. Yes.
4,
Very good. Clap for Shiza and him. Okay. Now, take out 6 purple color pencils.
1, 2,
Yes.
3,
Yes.
4,
Yes.
5,
Very good. Now, Umar, can you take out 4 pink color? 4, let it be here. 4 pink color, 4 pink color.
1,
Very good. Now, Arnab, can you take out 3 brown color? 3 brown color pencils. 3 brown color.
1, 2, 3,
Very good. Clap for each other, everyone. Clap. Okay. Thank you. So this is the way we can introduce counting to our kids using classroom object. Pencil colors are easily available in classroom. So we can introduce counting through pencil colors to them.